everyone, welcome to Jello Candle. My name is Jeanette and I'm the design candle instructor and candle maker. Today, we are going to make a secret candle. Not only is this a fun DIY project for candle makers, adding this secret message candle to your candle line may help to boost sales. Some customers want a customizable experience, and this unique addition can make your candles stand out. You can even consider letting customers make their own secret message candles at your pop-up shop, which may draw even more attention to your booth. So, grab your supplies and let's get started on making these special candles that your loved ones will never forget. The message is going to be printed on a tracing paper. You can even use your pen to write any message you like on the tracing paper. So our tracing paper can actually get it printed. You can put it into your printer and get any message printed. As a candle maker, I'm dedicated to sharing my love for candle making with others, whether you are a beginner or an experienced candle maker. Our courses are designed to inspire creativity and encourage self-expression. I'm excited to share my passion for candle making with you, and I hope that you'll join me in creating beautiful candles for your home, loved ones, and even your customers. Thank you for watching. Happy making!